that was a struggle. To get this truck started after the rebuild of the carburetor, just short of a miracle to get this, actually probably a miracle that this thing started. I'm not sure what was going on. I used gasoline in the carburetor, I used starter fluid, the thing would not turn over, dead as a doornail. I do know I have some battery issues that I'm going to be working with to get that going. So I do have the E47. This is not the high lift, this is the regular lift on here. I bought an exact replacement of what this truck had before, except this one has been rebuilt. The other one I'm keeping, I might rebuild it later or send it off to be rebuilt, so I have kind of a spare in case something goes wrong again. But I literally had to go up and take a look at the wiring diagram. I couldn't remember where the positive and the ground wires went. And so the positive goes here on this end here, and then the negative goes back behind. And I'll give you a clear shot of that. The other pump, the actual motor gave out, the pump gave out. It just a mess, complete mess. So I just decided to go with something that's been rebuilt and redone. Once I get this on, the goal is to put the plow blade back on, mount that, lift it up, and then before I even hook those lines into the system, I need to literally push it back and forth and bleed that out, get all that old hydraulic fluid out of there and start fresh. So we'll see how that goes. Pull out my favorite ratchets. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's back in here. That's it right there. And there you have it. This truck is dead again. Obviously the battery is bad. I'm gonna have to buy a new battery, re-jump it just so I can get it where I need to go and get it going. But it's gonna be a battery. So rebuild carb partially. New motor and pump. And now new battery. That's just this season. That's not seasons past. There's a lot more I've done to this truck. That's the name of the game. When you have a plow truck, it's a battle of will. So let's see if I can get this thing jumped again. Got my trusty Gerber. I've had this for probably 24 years. Cut it at an angle. Clean it up some. Just get some of that stuff off. You don't want it falling into your hydraulic system. Get that crud out of there that's loose.